It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday! I am back. I got my fall flannel on. I got my iced tea. And I redid my nails. Oh my goodness. The leaves are so yellow. It's like the peak of fall is upon us. Halloween is in 2 days. And I thought I'd do a little return to fall and Halloween video because I'm going to pull out some of my favorite fall and Halloween scents to use this week. I'm like, we got to be doing a little fall and Halloween now with all this Christmas mixed in. Oh my gosh, what a crazy week. If you saw my video yesterday. Oh my gosh, my friend Lenny is in town. We're promoting the TV series pilot that he performed in and I edited. We're actually going to have a companion Q&A coming. Hopefully we're going to film that tomorrow. And he may be on to do another Kindle video with me. I got to find out what he thought about that shave job on that. I'm going to see him later tonight, but I'm like, I need to know. So today, oh my goodness, a lot going on at Bath & Body Works. By the way, thank you so much, Jason. He emailed me a couple of 20% off coupons to use. I think I'm going to go shopping tonight because I need to get Happy Hanukkah. So candles online today only are $12.95. However, if you use the code UNWRAP, get free shipping on 50. I think my 20% off is actually going to be a better deal though, because I need to get a couple more candles. I'm looking for Feliz Navidad. I got to get that one. But I really want to get Happy Hanukkah to review because it's supposed to be kind of similar to the raspberry jam, no, wildberry jam donut. I was thinking the body care raspberry jam donut. That would be good too. But I think it's kind of similar to wildberry jam donut. So candles today, online only, are $12.95. I don't know. Has anyone tried to do a buy online, pick up in store? I haven't tried that. I never do that. I don't know why. But, oh yeah, I love my peppermint sugar cookie. I got to review that one. Body care is buy 3, get 3. And then, the hand soap is $3.50. So we're going to talk about that. Also, oh my gosh, you guys. Matthew Perry, I cannot believe he passed away yesterday. That one really got me. I was an early fan of Friends, and I haven't watched it lately. I remember like always watching it in the 90s, and it was just such a breath of fresh air. It was like I loved Friends, and then I knew Matthew Perry had been struggling for years, and to see that he fought so hard and then passed away, oh my gosh, I'll have to say that one really hit me. So I know a lot of you have been commenting on Instagram too, but yeah, that was a little bit of a tough day yesterday. As always, when I'm having a rough day, I go to my happy place, which is Bath & Body Works. Honestly, Bath & Body Works has gotten me through so much in the past couple of years, as many of you know. I don't know. It's just, it is literally, candles are my happy place. Body care, it just kind of brings me back and gets me centered again. So I'm very happy to talk about fall today. So like I said, we are literally at the peak of fall. Peak of fall. The leaves are turning, and we still have a lot of good fall body care to enjoy. So a couple of the ones that I'm going to be using this week, Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. I think it was a little better this year. This is one that I tend to, I wear this to work a lot. It's kind of light. It's just a good marshmallowy delight. It's not super strong, but it gives off that warm, cozy vibe. So Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte is definitely on my list for November. Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. Actually, if you layer Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte and Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, it tones down the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin a little bit and creates like a little bit of a chill vibe for fall. Try it out. Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin on its own, to me, is just a little too intense. I used it in the shower, I think last night. I'm like, you know what? It's a little much. I don't know. But if you tone it down with other stuff, it kind of works. Pumpkin pecan waffles. This is always a good one. It smells like food. We are so lacking in the foodie department, you guys. I don't know. And pumpkin pecan waffles like sold out in the stores like really early. By the way, body care day yesterday, I swear, I'm kind of wondering if they're kind of waiting on shipments now because it seems like a lot of stuff did get sold out. They are supposed to have the Jolly Gingerbread Village. Oh my gosh. I was reading everyone's comments. That is such a weird one. That should be hitting stores officially tomorrow. So I'm going to be doing a review of the cream on that one soon. It's just such a weird scent. Don't forget to pull out your sweet whiskey. Oh, that's not sweet whiskey. Where'd my sweet whiskey go? You know what? I didn't even pull out my sweet whiskey. I don't know where it went. I'm like, where's my sweet whiskey? I think it's in the bathroom. That's a good one. 3 fall ones that we did not see this year. That was such a disappointment. Actually, I only brought out 2. Bonfire Bash. I'm still completely shocked that we did not get Bonfire Bash back this year. Oh my gosh, I love this one. This reminds me of like everything fall, and I'm shocked that we did not get it back. The other one that didn't come back was Pumpkin Cupcake, which I know a lot of people love. I'm like, why did we get Pumpkin Cupcake back? This was it. Oh gosh, this smells so good, you guys. I gotta show this to Lenny. I think he's gonna like this one. Whipped buttercream, pumpkin spice, and vanilla cake batter. This one is so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we've got the pumpkin spice, pumpkin cupcake. Why did I say pumpkin spice? You know why? Because it's got pumpkin spice in it. I think I called it pumpkin spice. That totally would have worked. Okay. Don't forget about your Halloween scents. Halloween is I can't believe Halloween is Tuesday. I'm excited though. I'll probably find a little costume on Halloween. Everlasting Magic this year, which is good. A lot of people thought this was kind of a repackage of Sugar Cherry Crisp. I did not. It doesn't have enough bakery in it, but it's a good one. I'm still sad that Everlasting, Enchanted Candy Potion, that's Everlasting Magic. Enchanted Candy Potion didn't come back. I love that one. I really wish I had extra mist in that one. Midnight Spell, I'm not going to miss. This was not a favorite of mine. Vampire Blood. Oh my gosh. Vampire Blood, I'm going to be using year round. I actually did stock up on a lot of Vampire Blood. So I'm going to be using my Vampire Blood stash throughout the year. I'm really hoping they bring this back again next year. This should be a tradition. I would like to see another new, Halloween scent or 2 coming out. And I would like them to bring Enchanted Candy Potion back. I love the Everlasting Magic and the Diamond Shimmer Mist. I think it's just delightful. And then, did anyone pick up this yesterday? This is the Coco Shea Rich Moisture Cocoa and Shea Butter Body Oil. I like this. I gotta say, this is kind of nice after you shave to put this on. It's funny because it's an oil, but what's interesting about it is once it works into your skin, it doesn't feel super greasy or anything. It just feels nice. So I like this one. It's good. So I'm actually next video going to talk about some Candle Day videos. A couple of people have been sending me those candles that everyone's talking about, Cosmopolitan. We're going to talk about that collection, which I think is going to be very interesting. So that is up next. Oh my gosh, I feel like this is like the letdown after Body Care Day. After you have a big sale like that, you're just kind of like, I miss it. What did I get? Did I get enough stuff? But there will be more body care days coming. I'm sure they're going to do one the week after Candle Day. And in between, we should see some other stuff. Usually Bath & Body Works does a really nice body lotion sale where like November should be like Try to Believe It all month long. The body lotions are usually like $3.95. Hopefully they do that this year again. And then if you have a coupon, absolutely amazing. So more sales on the way. I'm going to try and keep on top of everything and let everybody know. But I'm excited to see what's next. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.